You know what's really unfortunate about being dyslexic? The lack of understanding in the general population about what dyslexia is and how it impacts you. Because when people don't understand it, they often respond to dyslexic individuals facing dyslexic struggles in ways that are kind of harmful. Here's a great example. For dyslexic people to read things, we use a different part of our brain than non-dyslexic individuals. So non-dyslexic individuals uses a left region of their brain that's very efficient and very fast at like recalling words, recognizing words, processing it, like fitting it all together. Very good at that. For dyslexic individuals, that part of our brain doesn't do that thing for us. And so we have to use different systems that we develop in order to accomplish the same task. And they're not as fast and they're not as efficient. And yes, they can make really cool connections and do other stuff. But when we're actually just compared like a dyslexic student to a non dyslexic student, you look at the dyslexic student and you're like, wow, you're just way slower. And so often, because people don't understand what dyslexia is, they look at that student and they're like, you're just lazy, you're not applying yourself enough, you're not working hard enough at this. When in reality, that student is very likely working way harder than everyone else. But when they receive all of that criticism, all that shaming feedback, it makes it really hard for them not to internalize it and for it not to have this really negative impact on their sense of self or their self-esteem, not to lead them to a place where they're really likely to experience depression or anxiety. And that's why it's so important that we work to educate people better on what dyslexia is and how it impacts someone, so that when we see someone struggling with something that's a result of their dyslexia, you can respond in a way that's accepting or encouraging. That's like, hey, yeah, this is a struggle you face, but that's not something wrong with you. Like, here's some extra time to do this task that you need more time for.